A cerulean lake, the color of cornflowers, the deepest sapphire of twilight, so much encompassed in a tiny word, blue. You painted the violet hours of twilight in lilac and amethyst lines, used petals of wisteria and pansy to evoke the softness of the evening. When I'm blue, trusting you helps, you encourage, comfort, listen. A marbled pastel, a swirl of hues, greens and blues of tropical waters and skies. Think verdant is green, but brown, red, blue combining, resting in color. Blue blizzards blow in, sorrow follows, feeling lost.